Hello! Doing something a little bit different today. Going to be working on my Stihl 026 chainsaw. This is the first small engine video on this channel. I just recently got this saw. I don't know if it runs, but it is pretty gunked up and such, so we're going to go ahead and take it all apart, clean everything up, get it going, make sure everything is lubricated the way it needs to be, and then hopefully we'll cut some stuff with it. Now let's see how this air filter looks. Not too terrible, but definitely gonna clean that. Let's get a screwdriver. Well, carburetor actually looks pretty good, pretty clean. It's really dirty around it, but that's a good sign. I was thinking I was going to have to tear that apart and really clean it, but maybe not. Ooh, now that is kind of nasty. That's all like oil and wood chips and water and all sorts of stuff. Again, everything under here looks actually really good. This saw, I think, is just going to need a good cleaning. Okay, well, the camera died, but I did go ahead and I took out the spark plug, and it doesn't look too bad. I think this saw, I'm not going to really have to tear into it too much. I think it's just really dirty, so I'm just going to clean it up and spruce it up a bit. I've got the bar off and the chain off, and I put the chain and the screws and such in here in some degreaser. Been sauteing it in the degreaser. Next, I'm going to take the bar, I'm going to take the side panel and some other pieces, scrub it with some soapy water, and get it all clean. And I am going to end up painting this and the bar, maybe a couple other pieces. Also, drained the fuel, and I made sure to label it so I don't accidentally try to pour this into a vehicle's radiator. Alright, for this cover, I'm not going to worry about the inside so much, because it's aluminum so it won't rust. But I am going to put a nice new coat of white paint on the outside. On this bar we've still got some rust. I knocked off as much as I could, and we're going to use this rust reformer. It's a rust converter. It should turn this rust into primer, and then we can paint it white. After some elbow grease, some degreaser, and some water, some soapy water, and scrubbing, the thing is pretty clean. Before it was really gross, but I mean honestly, I think this saw is in pretty good condition. It was just years and years of gunk. Who knows how many years. So I'm going to start putting this stuff together a little bit. Cleaned out the air filter too. It was pretty full of sawdust and other garbage. I'll put the air filter back on, put some dielectric grease in here and put this back on. I already put the spark plug back in. It looked fine, so put a little wire brush on there and it should be good to go. We've got the side cover and the bar drying. Those will be done tomorrow. I do still have to clean the chain, but I'm going to reassemble this part first. After they were cleaned, the plastics have this oxidization on them. I've heard of some people using a torch to clean that up. I don't really feel comfortable with that, but maybe it'll work. I guess if anybody has any good ideas on how to bring this plastic back, let me know. Put it down in the comments. I really don't want to just replace these, because everything in this saw has been really good. And I want to keep those original pieces. They're fine, they just look ugly. Okay, it's the next day. Our parts we painted have dried and they turned out okay. Not the best, but they look better than they did before. This is just supposed to be good enough anyway. So, just want a functioning saw. I'm gonna go ahead and lube up the bar, lube up the chain, put the chain on the bar, put the bar on the saw, get it tensioned just right. Then I'm gonna go ahead and sharpen the chain, and put fuel in it, bar oil in it, and see if we can get this thing started.
Very nice.
It works. Works really well. All right, as you saw, the saw started up no problem. Didn't have any issues. Got the side cover painted, got the bar painted, sharpened the chain a bit. We were able to saw through that little piece of tree no problem. Honestly, I think it was just really dirty, but taking it apart a ways and cleaning it up, I think it looks really nice. It's going to give me it's going to give me years of service. I feel I'm going to be cutting many things with it. I don't know how to end these things. Just
be like, good stuff. That's what you should do. Just like stick your thumb and be like, good stuff. And end it like that.